Alright, for those of you who don't know, I'm Chris Vogel. I've known Tony for about 12, 13 years now. Met in high school. It's been a good ride. Try not to put you through too much here. First off, could I have the parents of the bride and groom stand up, please? Looking at you, Marv. Can everyone give them a round of applause for the beautiful children? Marv, you're not out of the woods yet. So, last night, I tried texting Tony with a great idea at about 4 in the morning, and I accidentally called Marv. That was me, by the way. You took me off guard. That's what I was worried about. Anyway, I'd like to share a story of the first time I saw Kate and Tony together. It was pretty amazing. We were having cocktails, that's the adult term to call it, at a friend's house. We were playing beer pong. And Tony brought Kate downstairs. And the first thing one of my friends said was, I think she's really into farmers. And I looked at him, I was like, hey, we're good to go, boys. No, we nailed it. And I don't know if you want me sharing this exactly, but later that night I couldn't find Tony and Kate. Right? So I walked upstairs, and I don't know if it's a surprise, but in the living room, there they were, cute as could be on the couch. I'd like to think it was their first kiss, or first series of kisses, from what I witnessed. But Tony, he looked up at me and just goes, hey, Bobes. And he had that twinkle in his eye, like an old, claymation Christmas character, just like a star. It was, you knew it was meant to be right there. It was pretty amazing. I am not, yeah, you wish I were lying. So, anyway, like I said, I'll try to keep this short. I couldn't be happier that they did meet up and what eventually turned into this beautiful wedding. You had a keeper from day one. The day I called you to help cut up a deer and Kate showed up in front of you with more knives and did more work. Better work. You know, so that day, if you didn't have a ring on her finger, you should have welded one on. That's hard to find these days. But I would just like to say thank you to both of you. It's a huge privilege and honor, and I really am speechless. And I wish you the best of luck, and I love the both of you. And we should offer a toast. Also, there is beer. To your right or left.